something brand new out of the crate. Yep. This is why you need extreme air vents right here. That's brand new out of the crate. Unbelievable. You got a bumper. So right here you can see Ann is cleaning the primary and secondary clutch. She's spraying brake clean on and then following it up with a Scotch-Brite pad. What that does is it removes the preservation oil that the factory puts on the clutches for transport. And this is absolutely critical to do this prior to putting the belt on, or else the belt will become impregnated with that preservation oil, which will lead it to slip really bad and you'll blow that belt really quickly. It's kind of the same as getting oil on your brake pads. It's almost impossible to get oil out of brake pads. So yeah, just clean those really well and you'll start off with no problems. Gotta make sure you clean the oil off these clutches and then rub them down with some Scotch-Brite. Become covered in oil. Sprayed it off with brake clean first and then scrubbed it off. Same with the secondary. So, okay, Mike, what are we doing here?
We're starting this so we can get the test ride out in the parking lot.
Sweet. What's the outside temp right now?
It's about 78 degrees.
Yeah, probably not ideal snowmobiling conditions currently, but this is going to be some real live behind the scenes, never seen before Skidoo software. We're gonna add 20 extra horse to it right here, just by putting my name on it. Oh, you can't see this part, sorry. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna log in. Oh, we can't show that. Okay, whew. What you're gonna see here is that it does not detect my vehicle.
Nothing in it.
Battery's dead. Let's try again. We're gonna try this again. This is like attempt number 4. All the money Skidoo has, their interface sucks.
Seriously. Should be wireless.
Bluetooth. The whole world has gone to Bluetooth. That's a new gauge. I don't think they advertised that. Did they advertise this gauge? It's nice. Hey, we're in. Look at that. Okay. Do the 20 horse tune. Just kidding, they don't have a 20 horse tune. Okay, so now he's just gonna put my name to it. Just gonna add the key, so the key works. For all you would-be thieves out there, taking a sled out of the crate without a dealer programming it will get you nowhere. So don't even try it. Okay, we programmed it. Here we go. Moment of truth.
Is there gas in it?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know. I didn't put any in it. Track speed is what wins in the day. 2.5-inch track. Yeah. I'd just like to give a quick shout out to my dealer, Star Valley Skidoo in Thane, Wyoming. They've been an awesome dealership for me for over 15 years, and really appreciate their help on making this video. Also, go to my website, www.extremeairvents.com. Check out the new carbon fiber intake vents for the Gen 4 Turbo. See you soon.